I am Brother Rajakumar from the Province of South Asia. I come from India. I work with children in rural villages in terms of their education and healthcare. I am here at the assembly of the Marist Solidarity International Network. It is a great opportunity and a wonderful experience to come together as a global family and work as brothers and lay people together. Being aware of our shared responsibility for the well-being of children and young people and our planet, we collaborate more and more to respond to the emerging needs of our society today. And it requires a collective action. As brothers and lay people together, we need to think and act collectively and globally. We are committed to creating a new ways of being a champagne today for the young people in need. Thinking globally and acting together as brothers and lay people encourages to be more closer to the young people and address the challenges and the needs, and also to be attentive to the needs and perspectives of other people. In the last few days, we have been reflecting on specific areas like solidarity, ecology, and the child rights. And also, it is also an opportunity to widen our perspectives and work together to strengthen and enhance the quality of our service that we provide to children and young people in our mission places. We also create a new ways of being a champagne, a marist to the world, to the young people who are in our care.